Hello everyone, I am Balaji. Today I am going to demonstrate a C program that creates a folder, write my personal biodata into a file and opens it automatically. This, this is a practical example of a file handling in C. It shows how we can store information in a file, organize it neatly, and access it automatically. This is a very useful for creating digital records or generating documents using programming. In this video, I will explain every part of the program step by step so that you can understand it fully and even try it yourself. The Now I'm going to tell about the main purpose of the program. The main purpose of the program is to automate the creation of my biodata in the text file. The program does the following things. At the first, the program creates the folder called my details. At the second, the program creates a file named details.txt text inside the folder. At the third, write all my personal, family, and educational details into the file in the form of paragraph. At the fourth, open the file automatically so we can see the contents immediately. By doing this, I do not have to type the biodata manually each time. Everything is generated automatically using this program. Now let us look at this code itself. First, we include some library functions. We include some library functions at the top of the first program that are hashtag include stdio.h. The meaning of that line is standard input output function. This is the first first line meaning. At the second line, second library is hashtag include stlib.h. That is for the system functions. We use that header file. At the third, we use hashtag include direct.h. We For this we use for creating the folders using underscore mkdir. Next we Next we define the variables to store all the informations. Now personal details like full name, date of birth, age, gender, gender or personal details, while the father name, the mother name, and the qualifications and occupations and ages are family details, and educational details including yes, my SSLC, my HSC, and the BSc degree I am currently pursuing, along with the institutes, years, and percentage. Other details such as language I speak and my blood group. And another important thing we want to notice is when we use character arrays for text, we use arrays for text and integer variables for numbers. This makes it easy to store all the information we want to include in the file. At the next, after defining the variable, we create a folder my details using underscore mkdir function. 1 minute. See, we are declaring mkdir folder. Okay, here see, if mkdir folder name is equal to 0, printf folder created successfully, else folder already exists or an error. Here mkdir tries to create the folder. If it already exists, the program will print a message saying that the folder exists or there was an error. This ensures that our program does not crash if the folder is already there. Next, we create a file path for our text file using snprintf. 1 minute. See, snprintf. snprintf. File path, comma, size of file path. The conditions are given above. I am explain this. I am going to explain this line. Okay, this creates a file named details.txt inside the folder my details. If the file does not exist, it is created automatically. Then we use the fprintf to write a full paragraph with all details. This includes my name, date of birth, age, gender, caste, religion, my parents' name, qualification, occupation, and their ages, my siblings, family income, education, address, contact, email ID, and language and blood group. The program formats all this information into a neat paragraph automatically, so we get a complete biodata in one file. After writing the paragraph, we close the file by f.close. 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 Here is the function we specify. After writing the paragraph, we close the file using fclose. Closing the file is important because it saves all the changes and ensures that the data is properly written. Finally, we open the file automatically using system function. At the last, we use system function here to automatically open the function. This will open details.txt in the default text editor on our laptops or computers, so you can immediately see the results of the program. For now, let us see the program in action. First, the program tries to create the folder. It is created successfully. It prints the message. Saying folder created successfully. Then the program writes all my biodata into details.txt and prints biodata paragraph written successfully. Finally, the program opens the file automatically, so we can see all my personal, family, and educational details in a neat paragraph. You can notice that all my information is stored in one file which is organized and easy to read. This shows how we can automate writing information in C using file handling. To summarize, we create what are the steps we want to learn from this video. We are using mkdir function. At second, we are writing text file using fopen and fprintf. Include variables in text to create dynamic contents. Open the file automatically using system. This program is a simple and practical example of file handling in C. You can use it and store in your own biodata or any other informations automatically. Thank you. And here is the output for the following program. You can verify this by putting this in your laptops or any other computers and verify that if any queries in this program, ask your doubts to me. Thank you. This is the output for the what I have given in the program coding. Thank you.